Welcome back to Deutch Tech Performance, guys. Today we are here with Ben from Eibach. We're going to be fitting our DT Edition springs. I'll hand it over to you to let you know exactly what it is that we've developed here.
So basically, Deutch Tech came to us looking to do their own exclusive unique kit. What we've come up with them is basically an iteration of our Pro kit that's been developed with these guys to give it just the ride and handling those guys want, and also they wanted a little bit more of a drop just to make it that little bit more unique, so that when you visually see it for the first time as a part of the entire package for the DT Edition, you can instantly see it just looks that little bit better, that little bit different to everything else that's out there that we offer as a standard catalogue part. So now we're totally exclusive to these guys, and yeah, we're going to go ahead and fit into my own company car today.
So that is the spring kit fitted, our DT spring kit. As you can see, it's lowered the car a fair amount. Anyone interested in this package, get in contact with us. We have stock of these springs. So if you have an LCI2 facelift vehicle, we can get these fitted for you. But we think it looks a lot better. So there it is.